Sophie, is that you? Who is that in the camera? Who is that? Oh, you see yourself? This is my dad and stepmom's bird, Sophie. This is my second time with her. Ever. Yeah. You gonna say something? Say hello. 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 What? Who is that? Is that you? Say hello. Hello. Oh. Sophie, I don't like to film myself, but you're on my shoulder, so I have to show this cuteness. Thank you. You are crazy.
Yes, I did. Yay! And you're just in time for the grand opening.
Hi. Hi. That's my nose.
Yeah, let's just see what this fat guy's going about.
Love you, boy.
Yep.
She don't do that to, I'm telling you. She does not do that to people at all. She sits there and doesn't, she runs from them.
Why am I so special? Is it because you know I have 6 budgies? You smell bird on me? Hmm? What are you laughing about? Huh? Huh? Sophie? 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 Whoops. You okay?